Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Hassan, and today we are here to learn how we can let our friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, can let our friend. Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Hassan, and today we are here to learn about how we wouldn't want our friend to know that we've read their messages on WhatsApp. Yes, we wouldn't blue tick them for them to know that we've read, but actually we've read the message. So we have two screens over here, the first screen and the second screen. So we will try to send messages to each other and see how it works. So we open the second screen, the second WhatsApp account, and then the first WhatsApp account here, and let's try and see. Let's try to send message to this WhatsApp account and see. Hi. Hi there. Hi there. And now we've read the message here. You can see that the first account has turned to blue. It has tick blue over there, meaning we've read the message. Now we don't want this. We want the second account. We want the first account to know that the second account has not been able to or hasn't read our message. So how do we do this? First of all, let's open our WhatsApp again. At the upper right corner there, the three dots over there, we tap on it and we tap on settings, account privacy. Then we have some options here. When you look when you count the options, we have the fifth option, which is read receipt. This is where we can hide, or this is where we can enable or disable the blue tick thing. So at the default settings, it is always on like this. It is at the right side, always on. So if you don't want your friends to see that you've read their messages, you just come to read receipt and you tap on it and it will turn off. When it turns off, no one will be blue ticked again. So it tells you that if turned off, you won't send or receive read receipt. Read receipt are always sent for group chats. So here, when it marks like, when you turn it off like this, the moment you send a message to someone, it wouldn't show, or the person wouldn't be able to know that yes, you've read the message or not. So let's do it on the second account too and see. Account privacy, and then we turn it off here, and now we are done with that. And we go back and try and send messages and see if our settings will work or not. So let's send another message again. Hi bro. Now you sent the message and the message has come here. Let's read it. Now we've read the message, but you can see that the first account or the first screen, the message that we sent hasn't changed to blue. It hasn't ticked to blue. It means that the settings that we did is working. So let's try this one too and see. And here too, the message has come, but the same thing here. It hasn't shown that the person has read the message. So this is how you hide, or this is how you receive a message, or you read a message without letting the people or the other person know that you have read the message. Please subscribe to the channel, share the video, and hit the notification bell too, and as well share the video for people to also benefit from. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, bye bye.